Right, I need a new episode, but I don't really have anything to show.
I have 3 different locations. Which one you choose?
I'll take number 2.
Okay, so I choose this one. So Thomas goes to
Mūšos, which is a bog located 10 minutes away from us. Anyone interested in bog ecosystems should definitely visit this place because this is the longest boardwalk in Lithuania and you can get really close to the nature. Over there is our farm, and that way is world famous Hill of Crosses.
Hill of Crosses is a very unique and spiritual place. Long story short, Soviet Union destroyed this place several times, but people kept bringing more and more crosses here. Just over the road we have our hemp field, and in this direction, several kilometers away, 800 years ago, we had massive battle of Saule.
Which is where I went to. And it was boring. So instead, I went to Cholet. So, Cholet is the 4th biggest town in Lithuania, and it's also called the Sun City. And we do like sun here. There's even a sundial on the cathedral wall, right there. And a sundial square nearby. What's actually interesting about this sundial is a naked golden boy on top with his golden nuggets out. Since we're basically talking about clocks, one of the more popular meetup locations in Cholet is the Cock Clock, and for you American friends, the Rooster Clock. And if you prefer wild animals, Giant Iron Fox. So, next time you visit our hemp fields, make sure you stop by these places as well.